Yeah. Okay, I came on my channel and the Lightning Lava Assassin made a new account. And then he went onto my account and did something very mean. Very, very, very mean, I'll tell you. I have to go find my channel, I don't know. So I'll have to go to my channel here. How do I get
Okay, now you can know.
to that video? I don't know! Okay, sorry, this is gonna take a long time to get to that video. Very much. I'm sorry about this. Okay, okay. Sorry. Blend like, just like him. I shall who did that? Yeah, he made another channel. And now he's cussing on my channel again. Okay. This is gonna be a little long kind of video to Lightning and LightningCrack, I guess. Okay, so I guess you don't like me and you hate me because I started making intros. Guess what I was thinking about doing? I was thinking about making you an intro. So I went on and you started cussing to me. I didn't copy you. When I go to my down to my this section and down to the comment section and start saying I'm never gonna forgive you. I'm like, no, you didn't, you liar. I'm sorry, I guess. I don't make intros anymore. And this is the same going for all the people that hate me. I said this. I'm sorry. I should delete this. Why am I replying to myself? Okay. I'm sorry. You can cuss as much as you want. You don't know how long I've been wanting to know how to make intros. It's been a long time. And you know how I learned how to make intros? From you. You were actually one of the best makers I've ever actually seen, but you might never forgive me about this. I don't want to be mean, but Lightning, I know you hate me. I know you're always gonna hate me, but I'm sorry, and I won't